$100 on the Millionaire Streetwear box. You could win a Porsche. There we go, guys. Right, $90 in each box. I don't know how there's a Porsche in this shit, but if you guys want to try this for free, sign up through the link on bio, right? Free box upon sign up. Lego. How was Lego G, baby? Come on! The Lego version of the 911, mate. The second, it doesn't matter. I mean, I can sell it back, you know what, it's fine. Like I was saying, link in bio, go sign up, you get a free box. Porsche t-shirt, $52. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. We are still up, guys, the last one, alright? Come on, man. That was insane. 1G on Lego. Porsche badge, I'm gonna guess it now.